Ito ang recipe ko ngayon for 14 days Ramadan. So ito yung mga common na gulay, vegetables dito sa Pakistan nationwide. Ito yung tawag nila dito ay methi. In English ay fenugreek. Fenugreek leaves. Ito naman ay rosemary o soya tawag nila dito. And then ito yung parsley o kaya coriander leaves. Binili ito ni Lakay before 2 days yata. Kaya lang hindi ko naluto kaagad kasi yun niluto yung yung bulalo, yung paa ng baka. Yun nga meron pang natira doon na konti. So para hindi masira lulutuin ko na lang ngayon ko. Kaya ang gawin ko dito ay lilinisin ko ito, hihimayin ko yung mga yung nag-yellow kaya sira-sira. Tapos uhugasan o slice tapos lulutuin para pang dinner namin after ng iftari. Ganito yung paglinis. Tapos yung mga tangkay na ito, wag itapon kasi kakainin ng kambing namin. Marami kaming kambing. 8 yung kambing namin. Including yung yung tatlong maliit. Mga 2 months pa lang sila, yung maliit. Tapos yung naman, yung isa na kaming ngayong katapusan, mga anak. Ganito ang paglinis. Tapos yung naman, itong parsley, ay is rosemary, ganito lang din ang paglinis. Ayan. Kung saan yung yung malambot-lambot na tangkay, ayun ang yun ang kukunin. Ganyan. Gagaya din nitong parsley o kaya coriander leaves. Pero linisin ko muna ito lahat, itong coriander leaves. Ayan, nalinis ko na lahat, oh. Ito yung para sa kambing. So gagawin ko dito ay uhugasan ko ng 3 to 4 times tapos gagayatin ko uli ng medyo maliliit. Kaya hintayin nyo na lang kung paano ako magluto nitong gulay na ito. Ang tagal kong nilinis, siguro mga umabot din ng 30 minutes. Ayan, ito na yung fenugreek leaves o kaya methi, soya o kaya rosemary, danya o kaya coriander leaves o kaya parsley. Danya tawag nila dito eh. I already put oil here, then become hot oil. I put these slices of onions, then garlics, as you can see this garlics. And then, no need to make brown these onions and garlics. Then after that, I put this masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. And then, I put this, what you call this, potatoes and carrots. Then after 5 minutes, I have to put this one. This is already mixed vegetables, fenugreek leaves, coriander leaves, and rosemary. So I already washed this one 3 times. Then I slice it. I cut like this. So we have to wait this one for 5 minutes. Then we have to put now this one. Now we have to, okay. After 5 minutes, now we can put now this mixed vegetables, green leafy vegetables. Now let's check, but I'm sure this is already cooked. luto na ito. Ayan, oh, you see. Potato is already cooked. Ayan. So, this is already cooked. And we have also extra again before 2 days. This one, this is paya curry or bulalo. And then, I have also dinengdeng, little bit dinengdeng. And rice. So, no need to cook rice. Oh, ayan, marami pang rice. And what is more, so no need to cook pakora because nobody is eating. Nakakasawa din. So, just I make only chapatis and fruit chat. So, this is our 14 days Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah. Making now chapatis, but only for Lakay, for my husband, for Langga and Fatma, because Fahad, he went there for Tabli. He went yesterday, and today is second day, and tomorrow is last. So just only I make for 8, because Langga, he will eat 4, and for Lakay 2, for Fatma 2. I have my rice. So this is the way I make chapati. Then we'll put her in hot pot so it will remain hot. Then again next, then our simple fruit chat or fresh fruits salad for today: bananas, guavas, apples, sweet melon, and little grapes, and 1 piece of orange. For Aftari 14 days of Ramadan fasting. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Aisha Tariq, Filipina wife in Kashmir, Pakistan. Today is March 15 and today is Saturday, and time check, Pakistan time is 10:20 p.m. Alhamdulillah, nakatapos na ng 14 days of Ramadan fasting. Ang bilis ng araw, kaya ang pag-fasting ay very light and smooth lang. Alhamdulillah talaga. And shout out pala sa from Anonymous Family sa laging kanyang suporta, sa lagi niyang pagpapadala ng transportation ni Fatma. Every 4 or 5 months yata siya nagpapadala. And 2 years ago yata siya nag-start na magpadala ng transportation ni Fatma. Kraya tawag nila dito, yung yung bayad o kaya fare sa kung ano man yung mga dapat na bayaran. Kaya alhamdulillah talaga, from Anonymous family, God bless or Allah bless you. Ano din siya, Pilipina din, nakapag-asawa din siya ng Pakistani, pero matagal na sila doon sa sa Riyadh. So again, salamat talaga from Anonymous family sa kanyang suporta, at lagi siyang nagpapadala ng pamasahe, bayad ng bayad sa ano sasakyan ni Fatma from ano sa school niya. And alhamdulillah, 4 days Ramadan fasting and bukas ano na 15 Ramadan na bukas, and tomorrow is my special din inshallah. Ano na senior citizen na ang si Lola. Kaya so alhamdulillah talaga naka-reach ako sa edad na 59.